Hello, my name is Enjona. I'm the product manager of the sailboats in the HanseYacht group, and I'm really happy to sit here together with Isabelle and Olivier Racoupeau, the designers of our new successful Hanse range. Olivier, we launched now last week the Hanse 360 to the sailing world. What was the design idea behind this boat?
The behind was to develop in a smaller size all the positive feeling we have on the 410, keeping the boat dynamic and sporty with some rich test and the new modified DNA we introduced 2 years ago with the 460.
Yeah, we are also able to offer in this size of boat a 3-cabin, 2-bathroom version. How is it for you important to know such things also for the hull design, because you have a lot of more weight and we need some room? Is it really difficult for you?
It's a new way of designing yachts we introduced some years ago. We really start always from interior. We start from the middle of the boat, the accommodation, and you go outside. So the hull design take into account exactly what you want to fit inside.
And it's a personal question now, but we say now we have the Hanse 360, which I'm really looking forward for this model. But is it for a designer much nicer to design a bigger boat? So if we increase our Hanse range from the 510 to a bigger model, makes this more fun for you, or is this always just the same procedure, or how do you feel about the
About procedure is not so different, but for us what is important is to have a complex design problem, not too easy, and to reduce the size is always a big challenge because we have to fit inside, keep the good ratio for performance, sales area, things like that, stability. So it's not so easy to decrease. Going in a bigger size is also a big challenge because we cannot just inflate the boat to something bigger. You have to put some more richness to feature something like that and to find the place. So the boat is always very feel. So the level of complexity remain more or less the same. It's always a big challenge.
Yeah. Was this with 590? Perhaps we can a little bit spoiler what was your idea, because I know still the concept and I like it really. But what was your with this cockpit layout? What was your idea to bring something complete new?
Our idea was to try to take benefit of defense area where we normally a passageway or thing like that became part of the living space, the living room, and to enlarge in the beam direction. And you know what I mean in that project, to give a more important volume, because we all know that people spend the most of the time outside now.
Yeah. On this project, perhaps also interesting for our customers to know, we brought the really the maximum size what you can produce in our production line. This design borders, are this really a higher level for you? If we say the max beam is limited, the molded length is limited, but we want also to have all the ideas, or is it something where you say, oh, it's good to have some borders and then we know our maximum?
We always have borders in each design grid. There is limits, so it's never been a big issue in the design. But what is really big, no, it's been a problem was to fit everything inside at the right place, the right dimension, the passageway with the good size and everything in perfect shape. Yeah, not the overall size of the boat.
But I really looking forward also for this boat, because we saw also our cockpit mock-up, so we built the cockpit in complete 1-to-1 model, and I like it great. So I really like this concept, and I'm really looking forward to present this year this boat to you, real life in water in Cannes boat show, and yeah. So thank you very much for your time. I think it's also interesting for our clients to hear how the development process roadmap goes on. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I wish you also a real successful boat show.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.